How you doing, everybody? And welcome to NinjaToons, where the martial arts meets the creative arts. I'm Michael Voog, the Art Ninja, and this is Tuesday's 2-minute tip. Superhero stretches. So I can't stress the importance enough of stretching. As artists, sometimes we can really get locked into our artwork and that creates bad habits. We don't take enough breaks, we don't drink enough fluids, and we don't get any exercise. So I make sure that the first step before we draw is always to stretch. Now I call these superhero stretches because they're easy to remember and they mimic different types of superheroes. So the very first stretch that we do in class is called the Thor stretch. Now Thor has his hammer, so we're just gonna rotate our arms and loosen up our shoulders as if you were Thor, swinging Mjolnir. The next stretch is Wonder Woman. Now she has the lasso of truth. Now I know she only has one lasso, but we're gonna rotate both of our wrists, and this is our Wonder Woman stretch. The next stretch is Batman. So Batman likes to knock out the bad guys, so we're just gonna twist and stretch our spine out. So this is the Batman stretch. The next stretch is Superman. So Superman, we're gonna reach our hands above our head and we're just gonna reach to the sides like we're flying up, and away. After that, if you couldn't tell from the intro to this video, is my favorite superhero, Captain America. So pretend you're gonna throw your shield like Cap, bring your arm across your chest and pull it in, stretching out our shoulders. So Iron Man is squeezing your fists as tight as you can like you're holding sand, and then fire your repulsors like Iron Man. Really stretches out those finger muscles. Next, we have Hawkeye. His weapon is the bow and arrow. So we're gonna reach our arm up, back like we're grabbing an arrow, and we're gonna pull back on our elbow, stretching out the back of our arms. Do that on both sides, reach up, back, pull back on that elbow, and that's the Hawkeye stretch. Now the next stretch is SpiderMan, our web slinger. So palm facing the ceiling, make your SpiderMan hand and gently pull back on your fingers. Now I say gently, we're just stretching out the forearm here. The last stretch is Buzz Lightyear. Okay, I know he's not an Avenger, but he's a hero in his own mind, right? So Buzz Lightyear, palm down, make a fist, and then press down on top like you're firing your light laser, like Buzz Lightyear. Do that on both sides, palm down, make a fist, press on top, keeping your arms straight and stretching out the top muscles in your forearm. And that's Tuesday's 2-minute tip. Remember to do your superhero stretches. It makes it really easy to remember. But throughout the course of the day when you're working on your artwork, get up and stretch. Take a walk. Drink some water. That way when you sit down, you're refreshed. By not doing this, you can have injuries to your neck, back, and even your hands and wrists. And remember your ABCs. Always be creating. Oh yeah, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate it. Have a great week, everybody. Superhero stretches. Oh, try. How you doing, everybody? And welcome to NinjaToons, where the martial arts meets the creative arts.
I'm Batman.
And this is Tuesday's 2-minute tip.